Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to set up Fingerprint to unlock this device. So first, open the Start menu, go to Settings, now select Accounts right here. Now scroll down to Sign in options, select Fingerprint Recognition and tap on Setup, select Get Started, then enter your PIN, and when you're ready, touch the fingerprint sensor, which is located below your keyboard right here. So I suggest that you touch it with your pointing finger several times and let it read your fingerprint. Now add the edges, and once you're done, select Close. And right now let's lock our device and let's try to unlock it using our fingerprint. And as you can see, it went pretty smooth. Now to remove the fingerprint, just click Remove right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.